How's it going, everybody? I'm the BTC Reaper. I've been trading for 5 years and I've had a few great mentors. They have taken me from being a trading noob to a profitable trader. My goal on this channel is to help you make money whether the market is going up or down, no matter what market you may be trading in. Did you know that 80% of millionaires still work and are not retired? The Stochastic RSI is a great tool to use with the normal RSI because it uses the stochastic oscillator formula in order to calculate the RSI's strength and not the price action strength, whereas the RSI is calculating price action strength. So if you're unsure about how the RSI is moving at the moment, you could look at the Stochastic RSI to kind of tell you which way it may break. It'll give you a bit of an idea before RSI starts to come down that it may come down, or it could give you an idea when it's going to go up a little bit sooner than it may go up. And we'll show a little bit of examples of this when we get to the charts in just a second. Alright, so we'll go up to indicators like normal, and you can type Stoch, S-T-O-C-H, and you should see Stochastic RSI. Click that, and I'm going to be adding the normal RSI as well, so you can kind of see how they may differ or how they may correspond to each other. So we are on the 1 week time frame here. If you look, our stochastic, first you might need to edit your Stochastic RSI. I have blue and orange. I'm not sure if those are the defaults, but the orange is pretty much like the moving average, and the blue is like the strength index, kind of like how the blue is kind of like the green and the red is kind of like the orange. So if you kind of think about how blue and green go together and orange and red go together, or you could just make it blue and or green and red. So you can see our Stochastic RSI was oversold for a few weeks here, actually a couple months. It looks like May, about beginning of May to this month, so almost 2 months straight of being oversold on the Stochastic RSI. I suggested that for the last 2 weeks there was likely a bounce incoming. And you can see that the RSI is about to cross bullish. You can see the green is about to go over the red. If you're not too familiar with how to read the RSI video, please check out one of our previous videos on how to use the relative strength index, and then come back to this video. So you can see we are getting some upward movement. We might cross. This still has yet to be confirmed. It's a weekly candle, so it takes another 3 days from now in order for this candle to confirm. And then usually you'd want to wait until the next candle confirms. That way you could see that the crossover would be confirmed or not, because if the next candle's red, the green line could probably come down, and you'll see the blue line come down under the orange line. It's not very likely, but we have been in it for quite a bit some other times. So if you move on to the daily, you can see that the Stochastic RSI is starting to get oversold, or overbought, and you can see that the blue line is starting to cross under the orange line. We did reject here before, so that's kind of how a rejection would look, where it just curls up, but we obviously didn't have too much power behind it because we're coming back down. And you can see that the RSI is starting to move downwards as well, or kind of flat. It could start to curl. If we end up going lower from here, then the weekly most likely won't turn out to be as bullish as some people are hoping for it to be. Not financial advice, but use your own research and analysis to determine how we're going to move from here. These videos are a great starting point, but again, use your own analysis. Love these pop-ups. We could go into lower time frames, but I don't want to give too much information on different time frames. Just remember that the Stochastic RSI measures how strong the RSI is moving, and it has the same types of zones as the RSI. So it has your overbought zone, your oversold zone, your neutral zone, your bullish zone, and your bearish zone. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it useful. Please let us know down below, and like our video and subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful night.